Alright guys, so I'm installing a breathalyzer. This young lady got a DUI and it's Intoxalock system. Here's all the wiring, like where it all goes. I'm going to keep this as a reference point. I can always go back to it. This is how it goes to their wiring harness. It goes in their unit right there. Only ones that really matter is these ones. I don't think we use any of these. It's the red one, or the pink. We don't have a pink one either. Get that one, the orange one. These ones don't matter. This one doesn't matter. The blue one, and then all these ones. So basically, I gotta cut it. I have to go through all the wiring on the computer and find. You know, like I had to pull the pins out and find it. Like this is the starter wire right here for the push button system. You know, it's the push buttons on the actually thing that's missing right now. But I got to cut this and then put it into their wiring harness and then back into their wiring harness so that the breathalyzer won't let it start. You know, so and that's like the white wire and the brown wire. They see, cut it here, starter wire, cut it and put it in. Craziness. You know, they got the all the labels and stuff that go on everything, so you can't tamper with it. Like you tamper with it, it breaks them. It's a whole set. It's got a camera. So there's a camera system. I got to hook up halfway up that side. GPS, so they know where you are at all times. Hooked up on that side. This thing's gonna be crazy. But this is most important. I need to be able to know this for every car. Apparently we're going to be doing a lot. And by we, I mean I'm going to be doing a lot of these. Alright guys. Peace.